Good afternoon, this is Brent with the Blind Depot. We are out here today at a house in North Dallas where we've just installed a Universal MotionScreen. Now this is in the up position. I wanted to show you something really cool though, as we step back. Normally we do a remote control for these, but in this case, we actually got this new control from Somfy. This is called the Smoove wall control, and you can see how nicely it blends with the brick. So we're gonna hit that down button. And this is a Phifer Suntex 95 fabric. We did it in black, and black is the preferred color because it is the easiest to see out of. This will block 95% of the UV and blocks a tremendous amount of glare, as you can see. It still provides a really excellent view to the outside. So, no furniture under here yet. We're still working on it. It's a work in progress on this porch. You can see how dark it makes it in here. The nice thing is with these side tracks and with the fuzzy along the bottom, it creates a nice little bug-proof seal as well. I'm going to raise this shade back up, and we're going to drop it so we can see it from the outside. We'll walk out into their oasis here so we can actually see how this looks. And you can see the view is really good from the inside out, and that's indicative of what it will be during the day. I'm going to stop this really quick. As we head to the outside, we can drop this down. And you can see there's really no visibility here to the inside. Now that works like this during the day. At night, if you have the lights on the inside and nothing, and it's dark outside, it'll be backwards. So this is another one of our beautiful projects from Universal MotionScreens and Blind Depot. You want us to do something like this for you, we'd be more than happy to. You can call us at 972-644-9411, or you can reach us on our website. It is blinddepotdfw.com. And again, if you don't know what the DFW is for, you are probably not in our service area. So have a great afternoon, and we'll see you again soon.